As you may know, I have often said that gear doesn't matter, and it doesn't. I don't think that gear does matter to a certain extent. I have seen a few videos saying that gear does matter, and to take their point of view, the angle from how they see it is that if you have a job for a client, or if you need to take a shot of a bird sitting over there with your camera, then you need some sort of equipment which can zoom in on that bird, or which can film that client video. Maybe the client wants that you use a red camera, then gear does matter. Or you may need a certain cinematic lens, then gear does matter, of course. If you have a job, or if you want to take a certain picture in difficult circumstances, then you need a good camera, a lens, etc. Of course, I agree. When I say that gear doesn't matter, it's from the angle when you want to tell a good story. Let's take Charlie Chaplin. I think we all know Charlie Chaplin. If you take his cameras and compare it to our smartphones, which also have a camera, then our camera in the smartphone, it's hundreds or thousand times better than the camera he used. And he was able to tell a good story with his camera, so why can't we with this old Nikon camera or our smartphone? So instead of saying, I say that gear doesn't matter, it would be more correct if I say gear doesn't matter if you want to tell a good story, because you can storytell with old equipment or with a smartphone. Of course, some stories need that special piece of equipment to be told. It can be extra lightning, it can be I don't know, something which will make the story understandable, relatable, better for the audience. But to tell a story, your story, you don't need a fancy equipment. You can start with what you have, or at least buy a decent smartphone.